Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we, as in ChatGPT, are going to be talking about the top 5 e-bikes that you can buy for under $1,000. This compilation was compiled by OpenAI's ChatGPT. I am just the messenger, the you-truther. Electric bikes have become increasingly popular in the recent years, providing a more eco-friendly, affordable, and convenient alternative to traditional bikes. So without further ado, let's get into the list. Number 5. Ancheer electric bike. The Ancheer electric bike is an affordable and reliable option for those looking for a budget-friendly e-bike. It features a powerful 350-watt motor, a lightweight aluminum frame, and a lithium battery that can travel up to 50 miles on a single charge, according to ChatGPT. Even Ancheer themselves only claims 40 miles per charge with pedal assist, and that's about as likely as the Tooth Fairy. The bike also comes equipped with a Shimano 21-speed transmission system, making it ideal for tackling hills and steep inclines. Overall, this is a great choice for those looking for a reliable and affordable e-bike. The Ancheer is 85% pre-assembled, and you only need to finish the assembly of main parts. Number 4. The Nakto electric bike. The Nakto electric bike is another great option for those on a budget. It features a 250-watt motor, a 36-volt 10-amp-hour lithium battery, and can travel up to 35 miles on a single charge. However, Nakto claims 20 to 30 miles on battery alone and 30 to 40 miles with pedal assist. The bike is designed for both on-road and off-road use, making it ideal for those who want to explore more rugged terrain. It also comes with a Shimano 6-speed transmission system, making it easier to navigate different terrains. E-bike is 95% pre-assembled. The assembly is very simple with corresponding guidance video. Number 3. Ecotric Fat Tire Electric Bike. The Ecotric Fat Tire Electric Bike is perfect for those who love adventure and exploring off-road trails. It features a 500-watt motor, a 36-volt 12-amp-hour removable lithium battery, and can travel up to 23 miles on a single charge. And ChatGPT OpenAI got the range right this time. Will they get it right next time? We'll find out. The Fat Tire provides excellent traction on uneven terrain, making it ideal for mountain biking or exploring the beach. The bike comes with a Shimano 7-speed transmission system, providing a smooth and easy ride. The e-bike is 95% pre-assembled, however, it is the most difficult at the same time because it is the heaviest bike out of the bunch. Number 2. Swagtron EB5 Plus Folding Electric Bike. The Swagtron EB5 Plus folding electric bike is perfect for those who are always on the go. It features a lightweight aluminum frame, a 250-watt motor, a 36-volt 7.8 amp-hour lithium battery that can travel up to 15.5 miles on a single charge. And it's nice to have realistic rather than overinflated imaginary range numbers. The bike is also designed to fold up for easy storage and transportation, making it ideal for commuters or those who have limited storage space. This e-bike comes pre-assembled, no complicated assembly. In minutes, you'll be ready to hop on, power up, and ride. Last but not least, we have the Fiido D2S folding electric bike. It features a 250-watt motor, a 36-volt 7.8 amp-hour battery, and can travel up to 50 miles on a single charge. According to ChatGPT, however, that's about as likely as winning the lotto. 50 miles on a single charge with a 7.8 amp-hour battery is not happening. The manufacturer states 60 kilometers. The bike also comes with a Shimano 6-speed transmission system, making it easier to navigate different terrains. And just like the Swagtron EB5, the Fiido D2S is designed to fold up for easy storage and transportation. The e-bike comes 99% pre-assembled. All you have to do is insert the saddle, adjust the steering column, and you're ready to go. And props to Fiido for making a highly educational video. So there you have it. This is what ChatGPT considers their top 5 e-bikes that you can get for under $1,000. Whether a commuter or a adventure seeker, there's an e-bike on this list for everyone. Let us know in the comments which one is your favorite. Is ChatGPT right, or are they just pushing out brands? Is there anything on this list that would warrant your precious $1,000? Let me know in the comments below. Anyhow, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to like, subscribe, share for more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next one. Take care.